Meet the Nexgrill DEluxe 2-burner gas grill in stainless steel and black, the small space grill that's built for big appetites. With up to 28,000 total BTUs of fire roasting energy, this 2-burner delivers quick, controlled heat. While 401 square inches of cooking space provides plenty of room to feed groups of 2 to 6, depending on what's cooking. A simple electronic ignition system makes it easy to fire up your grill. Just turn, push, and now we're cooking. Long-lasting cast iron cooking grids deliver reliable performance, tremendous heat retention, and make it easy to clean. Beneath the cooking surface, angled stainless steel flame tamers help to distribute heat evenly, prevent flare-ups, and turn food drippings into smoky flavor infusions. On each side of the firebox, stainless steel side shelves fold up and down to make extra room for food prep and hooks for your grill tools. On top, an embossed black porcelain lid with stainless steel end caps provides durable protection, excellent heat retention, and an easy-read temperature gauge. And down below, an enclosed cart offers even more storage space for tools, a propane tank, or other grilling essentials. Plus, with dual energy valves, you can easily change your fuel source to natural gas using a separate natural gas conversion kit. When it's time to clean up, 4 high-quality wheels make it easy to free up patio space. When you're ready to expand your grilling horizons without having to expand your patio space, we invite you to experience the Nexgrill DEluxe 2-burner gas grill in stainless steel and black.